Hey, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass, we have a Popeye here. One light out. Norfolk Southern and a Warbonnet. $1,000. Nice even number, 709. We've got our tunnel motor right there. One of our subscribers, Mr. Phil, suggested we do one at 90 degrees. So here you go, everybody. Let me know what you think in the comments. Got our tunnel motor over there. Short train, I think. My eyes are moving left and right like a blackjack dealer. All right, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us on our Patreon if you can. You'll find the link in any description. We've got super thanks now and super chat. Really appreciate all the people contributing. Help us keep going strong. All right, you guys, leave your comment. Let us know what you think of that 90-degree look. We're always looking for new angles, so we'll see if this flies. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye-bye.